Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey cyclists, looking to connect your new Garmin Varia 2025. This incredible radar device is designed to keep you safer on the roads, giving you crucial alerts about approaching vehicles from behind. Getting it set up correctly is super important so you can fully benefit from its advanced safety features and ride with greater peace of mind. Let's dive into the one essential method for getting your Varia connected. All right, let's get straight to it. The only official and fully functional way to connect your Garmin Varia 2025 is directly to a compatible Garmin cycling head unit. Think of devices like the Edge series; they're specifically engineered to communicate with Varia. This direct pairing ensures you receive all the crucial visual and audible alerts, as well as enabling the smart light controls, truly unlocking Varia's full potential on your rides. Connecting your Varia is pretty straightforward. Start by powering on your Varia radar, then wake up your Garmin cycling head unit. From the main screen, simply navigate to your sensors menu. You'll want to select Add Sensor and then choose Radar from the list of options. Your head unit will then automatically begin searching for your Varia, and it should pop up on the screen in just a moment. Once your Varia is successfully paired, you'll immediately see a radar display icon appear on your Garmin head unit screen. This icon provides visual cues and alerts for approaching vehicles, showing their relative speed and position. It's a game changer for road awareness, giving you more time to react. This seamless integration gives you a significant boost in safety, making every ride more secure. Encountering a hiccup during connection? Don't worry. First, ensure both your Varia and your head unit are fully charged and very close to each other. Sometimes, a simple restart of both devices can clear up any minor pairing issues instantly. And critically, always make sure your Garmin device firmware is completely up to date. Keeping your software current ensures the best performance and compatibility, keeping you safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.